Thank you for having us today here. So we represent a product which is called Rebalance. The Rebalance, it's automated liquidity management protocol, which utilize funds and provide the best opportunity to have low risk strategies among DeFi and RWA assets. So we go into the problem when customers want to find the best way to deposit stablecoins and at the same time get the most easiest and high yield income. And the product built by such a great team, for example, complement the previous speaker who mentioned about SSC and robo-advisory service. So I also built in the US and I was Chief Product and Marketing Officer an SSC robo-advisory service called StreetBeat. We were alumni of Stanford accelerator called StartX. Also, after that, I built RWA tokenization platform in real estate, which aggregate different real estate objects and built on Polygon. The main founder and CEO of company Artem, he was Chief Product Officer for Hivon. It's one of the biggest leader in mining software, and also he worked as a CPO in Everland. And we come with the idea that a lot of, there are almost 500 million customers in the world, and less than just 10% participate in DeFi and Web3 economy who understand how to choose the right product and especially not to get impairment losses. And we came with ideas that we can aggregate using specific hedge fund level criteria and making due diligence to get and aggregate DeFi protocols and sooner also RWA providers in one platform. So we going now with lending protocols, and soon also we'll add borrowing protocols. And the second issue on the market that stable coins, it's now more than 160 billion industry, but the one of the issues that there is no yield and automated yield. So people need to find how to stake, where to stake, where is the right product, and especially when it comes to low risk, especially when to find the yield between like 10 and 20%. So I give a word to Artem so he can explain more clear some use cases we go in and the product.
Yeah, hey everyone. Thanks Gleb for the intro. Basically to be short and simple, I can describe two main use cases that we addressing to when building our project. So the first one is a simple and still non-risky way to get some yield on the stablecoins, as Gleb described. So it's just simple, just put in the stablecoin and it works. And it always gives APR higher from 25 to 50%. It's battle tested and it works. And the second use case is about borrowing. What we achieve by working on our refinancing algorithm, we always can afford the lowest cost of the borrowing. So when it comes to leverage strategies, looping strategies, anything where borrowing is involved, our borrowing should be the cheapest one, cheapest than on Aave. And that opens gates for different things, for different use cases with the projects like Contango, like DYDX, like different guys who do perp trading and different things where leverage is involved. So we're partners to Chainlink, and we're going to build first of a kind, totally decentralized cross-chain rebalancer and refinancer for the DeFi protocols based on the technology, on the CCIP technology by Chainlink. So yeah, briefly, that's what it is. We're open to your questions, I think.